안녕하세요, Nirvita si.
네, 안녕하세요, 선생님.
Yeah. So today we will start with this grammar. Okay. This
음,
grammar is called informal verb final end. Okay.
음,
So let's study this one today. Okay. Read from here.
okay. Informal verb, final ending. A, or, yo. This informal style verb final ending is attached to a verb stem and is used frequently in conversation with close friends. Verb stems ending in a, o should be changed to io. Verb stems ending in o, u to oyo, and verb stems ending in ha to heo. When the copula ida is combined with this ending, you must use eo.
So this one you will understand better in level 2. Okay.
Mm,
Level 2. And this chapter is not little bit technical. Okay.
mm,
And you will not get everything
mm,
in this like level 1. Okay,
mm,
when you complete no level 2, then you will
mm,
understand this one.
okay.
Till then just read it. Okay, let try
Mm,
to understand.
mm,
Okay, because it's changed here. See, if the verb stem ends ending in a or o, it should be changed to io. Okay,
mm,
when the verb stems ending in o, u, o, then it will change to oyo. Okay,
mm,
when the verb stems ending in ha, then it will change to yo-yo. Okay?
mm,
And this kapula is, you will not understand if I explain it here also. You will understand once level 2 is complete. Okay, that
mm,
time I'll teach you. So leave this one. Yeah. Now come to some parts. Some verbs. Verb. All the verbs. Here it is mentioned all the verbs. Okay.
mm,
Verbs ending. Right. Verb stem. Verb stem.
mm,
Verb stem. Okay. Verb final ending. Which ending? Final ending. Okay. Like
mm,
this ending. This ending. This one. Okay.
mm,
Hmm.
mm,
Like this. But always we remove this the. Okay. This the, and then we will put this one. Again, this one will be the final ending when we remove
mm,
this. Okay. So
mm,
when it is ending with then it will be changed to io. Okay.
mm,
So you will add io, right? And then it will
mm,
become kayo.
mm,
Okay.
okay.
Next is, this was io. Okay. Next is
Mm,
oyo. Oyo is to stand soda. So
mm,
o and da. Okay. So remove this da, add this oyo. Okay.
mm,
So it will become soyo according to here. It is not mentioned here in which it will change, but here you will say here. See, the final ending will be like this. Okay,
mm,
understood?
mm,
Okay. Same way to write sada, right?
mm,
Oh,
yeah.
oh. It will change to oyo. Add oyo, right? Oyo. So
Mm,
it will become, see here, it will become soyo, right?
so
Oyo.
yeah.
Hmm. Okay.
Mm,
Next ending is yo-yo. To wait.
mm,
Chidarida. Okay. Re.
mm,
Right. Re plus yo. It will change to rioyo. Kida rioyo. Okay.
mm,
In case of verb stem ends ending with ha, then it will be have. Okay.
no. Okay.
How? It is like this. To do is hada. Okay.
Hmm.
Then ha and da. Remove the, add yo-yo. This, where it
Hmm.
is, yo-yo. So it will become heyo.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay. Which is, see, it is mentioned here. If it is ends with ha, this ha, then it will
Hmm.
be heyo.
Huh. Okay.
Okay. In case of verb stems ending in o, u, or u, oyo should be used. Let's see.
Hmm.
Vayo. Okay, to come.
Hmm.
Oda.
Huh.
O. Remove the ayo. It will become vayo.
Hmm.
Okay.
Huh.
This is like a little bit technical thing. It will not understand, like you will not understand in one shot, whole thing. Okay. You
Huh.
practice, need to practice, and then you will understand.
Hmm.
Devda. Devu plus da. Remove the, add oyo. It will become bevoyo.
Hmm.
Okay. Final ending.
Hmm.
Okay.
Huh.
Now let's practice with the sentence, and then you will understand.
Okay. I will read the
Yes, start.
sentence practice. 문장 연습. I want to go. I go to watch a movie with my family. 가족들, 가족들과 같이 영화를 보자 가요. Sorry, 영화를 보러 가요.
Yes.
I write a letter to my father. 아버지, 아버지의
Egeso.
께서,
Egeso.
아버지에게서
Avoji
편지를,
egeso.
아버지에게서,
Hmm.
아버지에게서 편지를 써요.
Hmm.
My friend comes back home late. 내 친구는 집에 는, 는 집에 늦게
No, it will be cause sound.
늦게
Hmm.
집에 늦게 돌아와요.
Hmm. This is change
I
in
like
pronunciation here. Change in pronunciation. Okay, you will
the
understand in the when you will learn that this one change in pronunciation. Bachin. Okay.
uh,
Next.
I learned Korean from Rajiv. 라지브 라지브 선생님에게서 라지브 선생님에게서 한국어를 배워요. Sorry, not 배워요. 배워요. 배워요.
Yeah.
I wait for my friend. 친구를 기다려요.
Hmm.
When do you do your homework? 언제 언제 숙 숙제 언제 숙제해요? I wait for my friend every morning at the bus stop. 아침, 아침마다 버스, 아침마다 버스 정류장에, 정류장에서 친구를 기다려요.
Here the pronunciation is changed. This raw will
정,
be pronounced as no sound.
러,
No, no, no sound.
정류장,
Hmm.
정류장. I
According
write a
to
letter,
according to
but,
Bachchin rule,
okay.
this will be change in pronunciation. This because this is anga in the last, there is no sound, right?
Hmm.
That's why this raw will be sound, no sound.
Okay.
Next.
I write a letter to my friend every evening. 저 저녁마다 친구에게 편지를 써요. When do you have your breakfast? 몇 시에 아침을 먹어요? Students have lunch in the restaurant. 학생들이 식당에서 식사를 해요.
Good. Okay. Next one is vocabulary.
To help is 도와
Sorry.
도와주다. 도와주다.
Yes.
버스 정류장. To come back. 돌아오다. To wait. 기다리다. To do homework. 숙제하다. Late. 늦게. To learn. 배우다. To stand. 서다.
Now read the conversation. We have.
Conversation. 회화. Weekend. 주말. 김 김락준.
It's my name. Forever.
अच्छा.
In English, this is Kim Luck John.
아, 주말에는 주말에는 무엇을 해요? 투하스. 나는 주말에 테니 비 테 테니스는 what? 테니스를 쳐요.
Chiyo.
네,
Chiyo. Like this.
쳐요.
Chiyo.
쳐요.
Mm.
내 친구는 주말에 기타를 배워요.
Mm.
들라샤. 나는 친구와 같이 영화관에 가요. 그리고 식당에서 저녁을 먹어요. 디 디팍. 주말에는 친구와 같이 여행을 가요. 뭐니까 주말에는 수 수업이 없어요. 그래서 나는 집에서 텔레비전을 봐요. 또 책도 읽어요. 하르시다. 주말에는 하, 하, 하숙 집에서 빨래를 해요. 또 방청 방청소도 해요. 그리고
그리고
그리고 그리고 어 음악 Umagal Turoyo.
Hmm. Okay, good. Okay. So let me stop the recording and then you revise this.